What's up guys? TJ here with another video. So today I had planned on doing a bunch of errands. I got some of them done, but it was kind of hard because I didn't want to miss the beautiful day. Look at this. It's gorgeous out here. So quick story. I went to go fly my drone, right? Because it's like I said, it's a nice day out here, and I just knew that I was going to be able to get some flight time in. Well, I got to the park, I got all set up. I had some updates to do on my drone, and I did them. And this old lady walked up and she said, "I was just trying to see what you were doing." And I told her, you know, well, I'm trying to fly my drone. And she said, "Well, they're outlawed here, so you can't fly around here." And the reason she gave me, she said, because they were pipes. I don't understand what she was talking about. But anyway, she was nice, so I told her, okay. I said, I'll go fly somewhere else. And I came downtown. This is downtown Chattanooga. I've been a little bit under the weather for the past week, over a week actually. That's why I hadn't really made any new videos, because I didn't have a voice. I'm fighting back my cough right now. Anyway, I'm gonna sit out here for a little bit longer. It's a little cool out here. It's about 40, maybe 45 degrees. I probably got snot running down my face. But I want to talk to y'all about something that was kind of exciting. I got planned for 2018. I'm going to be launching a new brand, and I'm going to take you guys along with the journey. Now, I know I've talked a lot about, you know, fulfillment by Amazon and, you know, Shopify and e-commerce in general, you know, eBay, but I've never really took you through starting one from scratch, and there's a reason I'm starting this one from scratch. So I have a very viable fulfillment by Amazon business, also eBay business, but I tried Shopify, and whenever I did it, I didn't really have like a plan. I didn't have like an actual thing I was going to do. I didn't have a theme. I didn't have a theme for my store. I didn't have inventory planned. I didn't have really anything that you really need when you are planning to build that type of brand, because Shopify, like I've said on earlier videos, you know, you've really got to do all the work yourself. You know, you don't have a giant like Amazon or eBay shooting out ads and you know, getting pixel data and having Facebook ads and having Instagram ads, you know, collecting data from the customers so that they can show your product if they're searching for something similar. You know, you don't have that like backing behind you when you open up a Shopify store. What you do have is you have a really beautiful like storefront. It looks really cool, clean. It makes the customers feel safe. If you've built that brand recognition and your website shows that it's not any kind of like sketchiness to your store. Also, Instagram has changed a bunch since I started Instagram. I remember when I first started Instagram, you know, I just had friends and family members. But as I started building like a brand, you know, my personal brand, I slowly started putting my personal Instagram account out there to, you know, the world. And I've actually gained quite a bit of a following. I got almost 4,000 followers, which is not really a lot compared to a lot of people, but you know, for little old me, you know, that's quite a bit. So yeah, that's really it. So I'll let you guys know a little bit more about that later on. I'm going to come up with a very concrete plan. I'm going to try to execute that plan. It may or may not work, you know. When you're doing e-commerce, you know, you've got to try a bunch of different things, and when you find something that actually works, you know, that's really what you stick with. So that's really all I got for right now. See you here in a little bit.
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you, walking on the lonely avenue. Are you, are you, are you?
All right, I made it back to the car in one piece. I'm going to go to the grocery store and to the Wally World, and I will see you guys in a minute.